Happening this morning, beginning with breaking news. 2 liquor store employees shot in North Harris County. Deputies say robbery may have been the motive. Those employees managed to drive themselves to a nearby Jack in the Box to try to get help. ABC13's Micah Hatfield brings us the latest.
We counted at least 6 shots fired into the side of the Jeep that these employees were trying to get into. Fortunately, somehow, we're told both victims are expected to survive. The Jeep was parked right outside of Lux Liquors at the intersection of Ella and Airtex. They had just a few steps to walk to get into their car after they locked up for the night. But before they could leave, the Harris County Sheriff's Office says they were approached by 3 men who attacked and shot 2 of them. We don't know how many people were leaving the store, but we do know the victims got into another car, went to a Jack in the Box less than a mile away, where they were able to call for help. Here's what the Sheriff's Office told us when we got on the scene at about 10 o'clock last night.
We haven't been able to talk to the victims yet, but it makes sense that they're locking up the liquor store and they get hit, that it's probably a robbery attempt.
The 3 suspects have not been caught at last check. When we spoke to deputies, they told us they're likely driving a silver or goldish Silverado pickup truck. In North Harris County, Micah Hatfield, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
Micah, thanks. And new this morning, a wife being questioned after her husband was shot and killed just feet away from their 2-year-old. Police tell us that couple was arguing inside their apartment on Richmond near Hillcroft when one shot was fired. That man was taken to the hospital where he died. So far, no charges have been filed, and that 2-year-old is now in the care of grandparents.
Also new this morning, a man on a stand-up scooter was struck and killed near Greens Point. Police tell us the victim was in the middle of the intersection on Greens Road near North Chase when he was hit by a driver in a green pickup truck. We asked if scooters like the one the victim was using are allowed on public roadways.
So typically not, but if there was a green light, then even if it wasn't allowed on the street, it would be, it would be the truck that ran the light. But, like I said, we're trying to collect evidence to figure out who, if anybody, had the right of way.
The driver of the pickup did stop and is cooperating with the investigation.
All right, let's get you the latest numbers now on the coronavirus pandemic in Southeast Texas. There are nearly 16,500 known cases in the Houston region. The death toll has now increased to 406, but we can also share more than 6,600 people have been able to recover from the virus. Well, this weekend, Mayor Sylvester Turner is telling health officials and telling us that health officials are seeing specific hotspots for coronavirus cases in Houston. Now, the mayor attended a food distribution event yesterday and says the city currently has more than 6,300 known cases, with those cases rising due to dozens of people staying at homeless shelters who then tested positive. Turner says those shelters are one of the 3 hotspot areas across the city right now.
There are roughly 3 hotspots in the city of Houston. Our nursing homes, people who are in jails, and then our homeless shelters. So today in that 183 number, 77 are coming from our homeless shelters.
Well, the surge in COVID-19 cases has led to these hand washing stations being set up for homeless people. This one is at Fountain View and the Southwest Freeway in Southwest Houston.
The United States is approaching a grim milestone as millions of Americans head outdoors for the Memorial Day weekend. ABC's Karina Mitchell has the details.
Sunday's New York Times, a sobering reminder of the devastating toll of the coronavirus pandemic on the U.S. so far. 1,000 names of people who died from the virus printed on the front page as the nation approaches 100,000 victims. And as Americans mark the Memorial Day holiday weekend, the unofficial start of the season, news that cases are continuing to rise in at least 8 states, including Arkansas. Governor Asa Hutchinson says the state is enduring a second peak 30 days after the virus peaked there the first time.
We need to be disciplined in your personal safety habits. Increased cases indicates that there's more Arkansans that are out there than we knew about before that are positive.
But some former hotspots are seeing positive trends. New Orleans hasn't registered any new deaths since Wednesday. New York's death toll fell to 84 Saturday, the first time it fell below 100 in 2 months. Now that places of worship are designated as essential nationwide, Minnesota announced it will allow places of worship to resume at 25% starting Wednesday. The Diocese of Brooklyn will allow visitors for private prayer. The Boston Archdiocese released video of what services could look like, requiring masks and taping off pews. And there are also signs sports are beginning to return. The NBA is in talks with Disney, the parent company of ABC News, to continue the season at ESPN's Wide World of Sports complex in Orlando. Games would begin in July. Karina Mitchell, ABC News, New York.
Galveston Beach Patrol had a pretty busy Saturday on the island. Chief Peter Davis says more than 3,200 swimmers had to get moved out of dangerous areas in the water. Patrol also reunited 8 lost children with their families. There were 11 responses to medical incidents and 87 enforcement actions taken. Well, as we know, tomorrow is Memorial Day, where people across the nation will pause to remember our U.S. military veterans who passed away.
The Houston National Cemetery normally holds a public ceremony so we can honor those who've given the ultimate sacrifice. But due to the pandemic, the cemetery has had to scale back that event. They will still hold a wreath-laying ceremony starting at 8 a.m. It will include the national anthem, a prayer, and of course playing of taps. You will be able to watch it later via social media.
We are recording like the singing of the playing of the national anthem, and our keynote speaker. So if people would want to see that, that will also be located on our Facebook. So they can go to our Facebook page and they can see that that part of the wreath laying ceremony that we are going to do.
Important to honor all those lives lost. And you can still go to the cemetery if you wish. Visitors, though, are welcome to bring flowers and individual flags like the ones you see on your screen. But you're, of course, encouraged to social distance during that time.
Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Kevin Roth here. Today is kind of a transitional day. Of course, we've been dealing with all of the heat lately. As we go forward, we're going to be talking more about the showers and the thunderstorms. Let's look at those rain chances for today. Got a 40% here for Houston and areas to the east, up to 60% for those of us farther north and west. Those rain chances going up over the coming days. So we've got 40% today, but look at Memorial Day, 70% there, 70% for Tuesday, down to 40% on Wednesday and Thursday, then right back into the higher rain chances Friday and Saturday as well. Keep in mind there is the potential here for some flooding, especially on Memorial Day and Tuesday with those higher rain chances. So I know a lot of people have plans on Memorial Day. You want to get outside. Just try to keep those plans flexible and be safe. Don't get on the roadways if we have flooding going on. As far as looking ahead temperature-wise, this is some good news for you. This pattern shift that we're seeing is really going to knock down that heat that we've been dealing with. High temperatures throughout this 10-day forecast staying in the 80s, a far cry from the mid-90s that we had saw the week before. Thanks for tuning in. You've got more information on ABC13.com.